guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are about to look at how to create food poster using Photoshop. Guys, let's have a look at the resources or the stock images I use for this particular food poster. I also use these types of fonts for the design. So these are the images or resources I use for the poster in Photoshop. So these are the images and these are the fonts that I use for the poster. I'll make sure I upload everything on my Google Drive and leave the link in the description for you guys to get access to it at any time. Okay, so let's go back. So without wasting much time, let's jump quickly to the video. First of all, you need a poster. For you to get a poster, Control N, go to Arts and Illustrator, select poster and create, or if you like, you can change the resolution, the height, the width, and change the name to. So that's it, the poster preset. So here we come. Let's quickly turn on the screenshot. So to begin with the background, which is BG. So I started the background using a solid color. So to get a solid color, all you need to do is to click on the adjustment layer, select solid color, and choose any color that you like or you need from this color picker and click on OK. So since I don't need this, let me click on delete it. So okay, after the background or the solid color, or what I used next was the table, which is this one. The one that the beggar will sit on it. So if you can go to, or you can check the description box, you get all the resources in there. So somebody may ask, why did I cut? Let me explain. So I use the pen tool to cut out the part that I don't like from the place. So after that, click. By bringing in this table, what I brought next was this table too, and this is what I brought next. So after bringing that one, I added the shadows to it so that it will look nice and presentable. So after bringing the shadows, what I did, so to add shadows to it, what you need to do is to create a new layer, go for a brush, so let me click on general, select the soft one brush, and select the background, the color to be black, and start painting around the places that you don't like, or the places that you want to match it with the background. Alright, okay, so that's it. That's what I did to get the background, the shadows of the table. Let me delete this one. Okay, so after doing that, you need to activate these shadows. So as I demonstrated to you, and yeah, that's what I did to get the shadows around the table. So after that I brought in this sparkles, the same thing I used. So to create this sparkles, it wasn't a PNG file. I I did it myself. I have plenty. I use more brushes, so I picked the brush from this place and started clicking on it, and I got these nice sparkles, as you can see over here. So after the sparkles, let's quickly jump straight to the light brush, which is the orange light brush, where the food or the burger and the fries will sit on. So it will be at the back of them. Okay, so after that, let's quickly activate the white brush, which is these smokes in the fryer. As you can see, it doesn't look nice at all, but as time goes on, you get or you see the name and the fantasy thing of it. So after the white brush, I quickly go to the main brush. So this main brush, I created a new layer, which is this one, and I went to the brush key. So this work, mostly I use brush a lot. So if you're a type of if you're a graphic designer and you don't have to brush it, I advise you to go to the internet and download brushes for a graphic designer, so that you can create a professional work like this burger food poster, that I created today. So after the white smokes, that's it for the background. So we move on to the food folder, which is these ones here. So to start with the food, this is the image that I brought in. So this is the burger, as you can see, and after bringing in the burger, I quickly inserted a shadow to it. So somebody will ask, how did I do the shadow to lie on the table? So what I did was to create a new layer and select the brush tool and select. So in this place black, so you can see. If I select the black tool, you can see. Let me quickly select white and increase the opacity to 100. Okay, so with a new layer and this white brush, let me click on. For you to be able to tie on top of the table and hold shift. As holding shift, don't remove your hand on the shift from it in the brush to drag it down and drag it. After that, remove your hand from the shift key and put pieces on top there. As if you have gotten your head in place around you and see. Okay, it doesn't look nice using the brush too. So that's it for the brush. So let me activate the food, the burger, and that's it. So after the burger, I brought in this fries. That's it too. So I extended the shadows a little bit, so that it will cover where the fries are. Okay, as you can see. So that's it for the food flyer. What we move on next to is the brush. So with the brush, I just created this paint. I just used this paint brush to create this nice look. Create this nice art. So after that, this is the right test on this brush, painting brush. That's why I created this using the new layer, creating a new layer and the brush tool, using the brush tool. That's it. So that's it for the brush tool. So after that, for you to combine everything together so that it will look realistic, you need a photo filter. So somebody will ask me, where will I get a photo filter? Where will I find a photo filter? We just go to the adjustment layer. You will see, scroll through from selective color all the way to color mixture. From color mixture, you are going to photo filter. Click on it, and we have warming filter 85, warming filter LB, a warming filter 81. Select each of them. You can increase the density to any amount that you like. If you increase it to 100%, you know what your work will tend to, how your work will look like. Yes, so I don't need the photo filter already. I have one already. So what I have to do is to close this and delete this one and activate this photo filter. Let me delete this one quickly. Okay, I'll activate this one. So after that is it for the photo filter. So the last two parts of today's video is the test. And before we move to the test, guys, I humbly request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need your help. You need my help. That's why you came to my channel to watch this tutorial. Guys, after me helping you, I also need your help. So please kindly subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and like all my videos too. And if you don't understand anything, you can share it in the comment section below. I'll humbly reply whatever you need or whatever question you need to ask. Thank you very much. So with the next thing, we move on to the first test for test 1. So with the test 1, we have the super delicious best deal. So you see the essence of the paint brush that I use here. We have the best deal. We have the burgers. Let me slang. Is it slang? We have the burgers. There, we have the burger. Okay, so after the burger, that's the end of the first test of the video. So after that, we move on to the second test, which consists of the free home delivery, the phone number, and the website. Order now, fast food, which is the logo, and the last not the least is the presents. So guys, this is the end of today's tutorial. If you really enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll make sure I'll create fantasy things for you to enjoy. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'm really happy that you came to my channel to watch this particular video. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.